What's the objective?
Today we are adding a honey super deep box onto your tube brood chambers and separating them with a queen excluder.
And possibly taking the feeder out?
And we're taking the feeder out because we're not feeding them right now. Debating whether or not to go to open feeding versus in-hive feeding. They're not even awake yet.
They're sleeping in.
Yep. And I got you a better lid.
Oh yay.
There they are. Wake up.
And then go to sleep. Oh, they're already on the...
Do what?
There's one on you.
Oh, that's fine.
It just went from the mic. They get lost in the fluffy mic.
Too much fluff on your mic?
You think they're a flower. That smoke doesn't look like it's going down in. Is it supposed to go down in?
No, I'm just getting these guys on top real quick. I smoked up underneath it a second ago. So you always look under your lid. Make sure you're not throwing a queen on the ground.
Ah.
You're not. Hey, you. What are you guys?
They didn't like getting woke up.
They didn't. They were sleeping good. I get it. It happens.
Wake happens, guys. It'll be a nice warm day today. High in the 60s.
So, I'm done. Let's just try and take this feeder out. Without breaking the box.
Yeah.
It's always the objective is to not break the box. I'm hoping these new gloves are gonna work out. I'm kind of nervous about them. They're really tight on my hand.
Yeah, kind of cool.
I thought they were gonna be bigger.
Smoke your hand.
He's fine, he's not gonna hurt anything. They're just buzzing around wondering why the top of their home just got taken off.
The sky is falling.
Pretty much. So I was just working really slow because it seems to keep them happier.
They were not this fuzzy last time.
It was colder that day too. I'm gonna run up against some electricity for a second. Come on.
The smoke is really going now.
Good. You throw some smoke at them?
I don't know what this video is getting. They're all coming out the bottom.
Yeah.
Guys, go get some flowers. Some really nice peach trees over there.
Cannot get this right. Still make you nervous? Buzzy?
I'm still nervous about oh, goodness gracious.
Oh, okay. Yeah, grab that one. That's why it's good to have 2 people. In case that happens. Okay. So, shake all these guys down. I want to look on the bottom of these and look for any super procedures. See all that pollen in there? All that, yeah. Oh, that's pollen.
That?
Oh, that's honey.
Honey?
Honey is up here.
Pollen.
Pollen's down there. And then they're making honey up here that's unfinished nectar up in these top ones up here. This box is pretty well built out.
Oh my gosh, this is
Shake these guys down.
camera.
Yeah.
Take a picture of it. Okay.
Alright. So now I'm moving all these over. I'm keeping the frames, even the ones I just took out, in the same order. Because I don't like when people move my stuff around. Move their stuff around. Look at that. Poor babies. Got a few of them. Put all that on the bottom. Those guys aren't going to make it. But all that right there is capped brood. And the ones that were opened right there are going to one's down there. And this is that open right there.
Now?
Yeah. But they'll clean all that out. They'll open these up and she'll lay new ones in there.
So that's all baby.
But this is all brood.
Baby.
See how it's kind of a rainbow? That's a good brood pattern.
Yeah.
Got honey.
Yeah.
Then you got pollen and some other junk up in here. And then she's laying new brood up in this area.
Is
and then
she
these
around?
are capped.
Do you see her?
No. And then this is all capped brood.
Look at that right there. Point out that
That?
larva-ish.
Yeah, those are the larvae.
That's crazy. So
happens.
that's all
Yeah.
brood, and this is all honey. It's the in-betweens.
Yeah. So we're just checking out. I'm looking on the bottom. I haven't seen one yet, but if I see a super procedure cell, I will point that out. I also am
Clean it up.
cleaning the bottom and putting it. It's falling directly onto my smoker, which is cool.
Ah.
Want to smoke down in there real quick? Okay.
But seriously.
That's alright. It's okay.
Is it on? Can you use the camera?
You check both sides. Remember, always keep the frame over the box.
Oops, sorry, camera.
In case she's on there and we're just not seeing her. I
Look
don't.
at that big pile of
Yeah.
right there. It's a giant pile of.
Yeah, they're just stacked up for some reason.
Maybe it's just down at the bottom of it.
Well, they actually usually give her some space. They don't really pile on her, that I've seen. She usually has a ring around her. Well, we would call it a halo. There you go.
I don't know what it does.
Well, try doing this without smoking them though.
I want to do like in the Beehive where they just like.
Where they go to sleep? That's not, yeah, no. That movie is more than one inaccuracy in it. They're actually stuck to the bottom.
Oh my goodness, it's just like.
That's why we're here.
So much more than just a couple weeks ago.
All those babies we looked at a couple weeks ago are flying around in front of us right now. I'm also looking at wings.
That poor little
Look at a few individual bees, and you can look at their wings and see kind of how healthy they are, and if they have any deformities that you can see. Could be a sign that you have some mite issues.
Mites.
Yeah, mite, varroa gets on them when they are in their early stages, and it's just basically like a parasite that feeds off the larva, but the bee is born, but wherever the varroa was attached is deformed. So if they attach on a wing, that wing grows up all funky. Just slowly working our way across the hive. Secret skills. You can smell them too. You smell that? Smell the hive. Smell the hive. You can actually. Oh, there's a queen cell.
Point it out.
Yeah, so it's open. It's a queen cell. I don't know if it's new or old. Let me know. Well, actually, we cleaned these off last time, didn't we? So, I don't see them laying in it. I don't see any larvae in it. It's kind of hard to tell.
Well, it could be. Uh-oh.
We're gonna go ahead and make them start over if it is a new one.
Sorry, bee people. Bee people? These are people too? Oh, I'm glad you got those pellets. I'm gonna get some pellets.
Like 10 or 8 or 10 bucks on Amazon for 54 of them. Or you can get, I'm gonna get them. They just look pretty good. I'm gonna also try the wood pellets, like these little herbal things.
Gosh, oh, sorry.
A bunch of queen cells on the bottom.
Oh my
These.
Here, Wendy was just telling me about them. Look, Wendy, here they
This is the
are.
time of year for it. They're just doing what they're supposed to do. They're ready to get out of Dodge and split.
Stay in Dodge, please. I'll give you another box. Oh, it's so gross. Slosh.
I'm still pretty new to this. I might be making a huge mistake taking the supersedure cells off, but from what I've read, they just make another one if you do damage one. And I'm not really. Well, if they're gonna swarm, they're gonna swarm. You're not ever gonna.
Oh wait, look on the side. What is that? Oh, is that just a dead one? You just scraped?
Yeah, and there's another cell. That's what when he was talking about right up there. It's a queen cell.
Oh, it's a peanut. Look, where is
A little
it?
peanut right there.
I can't see it in the thingamabob.
I think you got it. Yeah, it's right there. You got it. Something blowing on them and they're just looking down in it. I wish the sun was over our
Can we take
heads.
that one off?
No,
Or not?
I'm not trying to. I mean, that's their natural process. What they do, they don't. If they're gonna split, they're gonna split. You can't stop them. If I kill that one, they're just gonna waste energy making another one. So we're gonna really stir them up here in just a second. Because we're gonna take the top box off. And we're gonna do this on the bottom.
Take the bottom for a long time.
So no brood here. Oh yeah, there's some at the bottom. Right there. And I'm trying to see.
Well, there's empty. There's black comb.
No, they're not empty. They're full.
Oh, what is that black right there? No.
I
Right.
can't point.
No, right. Right there.
That?
Yeah, that's just the.
That's the foundation.
Yeah.
They just haven't built the home.
I know. That's why I'm surprised. It's so fat.
Yep. Oh my gosh. Lots of brood in there. Fresh brood. I'm trying to look at the queen on this one. But I would not be surprised if she's down. Ah, gosh dang it. She's down in the bottom somewhere. But she is here. You know that. Really good brood pattern and lots and lots of babies. They don't like vibration.
Edge.
Yeah, when you knock it no, they don't like it, but overall it is good for them because I can get in here and take a look at them. Yes. We'll see. I don't know why they would. I don't know why bees, domesticated bees, or honeybees in general, aren't extinct. Everything out there's trying to kill them, and they're hard enough to try to keep alive. Golly, that's a lot of honey on that. Okay, that's a heavy one. It's just all kept honey. It's all their honey. Yeah. So, now we're at the feeder. Curious to look behind the feeder. I had a big problem last year with in-hive feeders and beetles laying and hiding behind them, and the bees normally are really good about herding the beetles into a corner and keeping them, contained, but the beetles can hide behind this and the bees can't get to them. And just sit there and build up, and they'll eat honey. You go after the honey, not the honey, but the larvae, and they lay their nasty stuff all over the planet. Fresh.
So we could have two frames, but we still have those two to fit, so that'll be just perfect.
Absolutely, it's ready. So now, just still working slow, moving all these back where they were.
It's just like gooey down there. They're already back to work. Now, where are you going to put that?
Put what?
It's open on the bottom. Take this off.
I've got ways. Alright, keep smoking because they're right in there. You're squeezing the camera, smoking them with the camera? You've got them bearding up on your knee.
Oh my gosh, look at my whole... Nice trees.